Good evening, students, and good evening to all channel viewers who are watching this channel. It's a request from my end. Please like, share, and subscribe so that as I go on uploading videos, you will get access to it. Today, it is the second class of class 12, 2021 HS batch, and today's topic is on poetry. The first poem of your syllabus, On Killing a Tree by Jeev Patel. This poem you have already, I suppose, you have already been acquainted with, made familiar with in the ABP Anando live classroom, where teachers from renowned institutions have taught you this poem, and you have been you are more or less acquainted with the subject matter of the poem. Now, in order to study a poem, you have to have a text before you. But in this lockdown period, as all the stationaries and shops are closed, it's quite probable that you are not being able to get access, or you are worried how to accommodate yourselves with books, textbooks. There's no worry. You have a book with you. It's the same Mindscape of your class 11, which is divided into two parts. The first part being the class 11 and the second part being the class 12. So all of you, as you watch the video, please sit with the text before you. Open it at page number 61. See, I'm having the book with me also. It's not that without a book I am teaching. The class will be entirely a prototype class of the actual classroom if I were to teach in the school, as I would teach. The same way I would be taking the class in the virtual section. Jeev Patel, 1940, is a renowned Indian poet, playwright, and painter. He is a doctor, you must remember it. He is a doctor. In his poetry, Patel uses a syncopated rhythm. He brings the flavor of everyday speech in his poetry. Please underline, Jeev Patel is a renowned Indian poet, playwright, and painter, and a doctor. That is missed out. Please write it. And a doctor. In his poetry, Patel uses a syncopated rhythm. He brings the flavor of everyday speech in his poetry. So you have underlined it. For your general information or general knowledge, you may underline or keep in bracket this part of the section. Some of his notable works are Mirroring 1991, How Do You Withstand Body 1976. This is for your general information. Now about the poem. Please underline, the poem is about the harm done to the environment by human beings. In a voice of sarcasm and irony, the poet speaks of man's violence and impatience towards nature. See, here nature is imprinted in small n, make it cap. I have already told you in your earlier classes also, when it relates to Mother Nature, nature should be, N should be in caps. The poem is written in free verse. Please underline this whole thing. I will come to detailed analysis of every nook and corner of the poem as I go on teaching you the poem. First of all, you should learn to pronounce properly in order to read a poem, memorize it, get it by heart, so that while questions are set on context, you can pick it, you can understand from where the poem has, lines have been taken from which poem, because many of you miss out the entire thing and make a mess of it, and what happens is poem 1 goes to poem 2, poem 2 goes to poem 3, and vice versa. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. Please follow my pronunciation as I am reading the poem. It has grown, slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide, sprouting leaves. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied and pulled out, snapped out or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source, white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. So from a close reading of the poem, you can understand that the process of killing a tree is not so easy, because a tree grows in its strength, by its strength. It's not a matter of a year or a two. It's a matter of several years. Now, please take down running notes as I go to analyze the poem. Come with your English notebook, pen and pencil within 5 minutes while I go to take a short break. Stay tuned.